What do you get when you have a day off, a car full of mates, and an open road? You get all the things for an awesome road trip adventure.
So no claiming, man.
We hit the road as early as possible for a car full of bartenders. First stop was Miami Bakehouse for second breakfast. It's about 140 kilometres south of Perth, which is a good location to pull over and have a break from driving for a bit. Or just get a good pay. They have a kangaroo art thing out back, so we took a gander.
Oh, like that movie, Kangaroo Jack. They're fighting the kangaroo that steals the jacket. Prices are all cookies.
Like all responsible adults, we had to play in the kids' playground. All smiles though. After that we hit the road again, headed for Bustles and Jesse, where being silly was becoming the theme for the day.
Now it's recording. Actually no, it's the wrong way for the sun.
Next tour wasn't for a while, so we made tracks for Rocky Ridge, a short stroll away instead. Layla opted for a scooter, and even Louise terrorised the streets for a bit. But a few moments later we're there, getting drinks sorted.
Whoa, double. This is what we are getting into.
Time waits for no one, so we got running. Louise and I literally, but we got to the end and headed down to the underwater tour. We're led to the bottom and go straight for the windows, where we see this little guy zoom past super quickly. You really dive off into an alien world submerged down here, and just float off watching life swimming by.
So they want species rely on sunlight, but they don't want it on
Yeah, it does, right? Yeah. Literally, it does. It makes you feel like you're drunk. Yeah.
We leave the museum and have a moment in the sun while waiting for the train to get in. Apparently that means it's time to dance. The conductor called out when the train got here, so we jumped on and naturally continued being silly. But then it left and we all just sat back to enjoy the chill ride back to Hotham. It wasn't long before being silly was back, as we parkoured around town on the way back to the car.
Parkour!
Our adventures then took us to Beyond Distilling on the other side of town. Greg was there and he took us on an adventure through the shop.
Bubble cap.
He was super excited for this gin he's working on and had to show us.
So the colour is pH dependent. So are you ready?
But then we went through the aging room and ended the tour tasting some of the rain.
A friend of mine has 7 generations of raki making in Serbia and his family.
Naturally, we bought something too.
But then you make something really cool.
Gotta share it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I want other people to try it.
We were getting a bit peckish, so headed off to Cheeky Monkey for some food. But we get there and the kitchen's shut, so we headed to the next spot instead. We stopped at the Margaret River chocolate factory, and well, free samples. There was so much variety, we had to walk around and have a look. There was a rocky road through a dark place, but mates and chocolate is always a winner. old mate was sat in a tree outside, so we went to say hi. He took off shortly after, as did we. It's just a short trip to Quarram to see all the cows, which was on the way anyway.
Yeah, literally everywhere, aren't they? Wow.
We finally get to Margaret River, just as the sun is going down. And it's been a bit of a long day, but it's time for food.
What is this? Fruit house. Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting where we're going.
It was a hot minute before drinks were sorted, as well as entertainment.
So today we're coloring a unicorn elephant. If you get a little close up over here, you'll see that the elephant is suspiciously squirting some liquid on this poured star. And it looks pretty happy about it, and no complaints there. We'll update you when it's finished.
But then food comes, and we're all straight in.
Fucking delicious. Holy shit.
Mate,
Like lightning. Why is it not working? What are we naming it? Ellie the elephant.
Bluey the green-faced unicorn.
So this is Wooly the green-faced unicorn. Next.
Next in line.
What was its name again? What's name this one?
I think in people proof as well.
Okay.
Maybe in good water.
And what is this one's name? Choco. Like Choco. You really are on the food angle. Oh yeah.
Excellent.
Show off yours. Wow. What's the name?
Gumpert.
Car. Yeah. Does it just live in the car? Yep. Yeah, 5 Frio locals. We've travelled all the way to Margaret River. There has been a rogue attack from a kookaburra. Chips flying in water, burger flying everywhere.
This guy is he's holding a.
The beanie.
No, just yeah, just picked up.
Oh yeah.
The baby doll he had like tucked under his arm, and all I could see was the little feet poking out the back, and they look like baby feet. So I was like,
What?
Just enjoying a good coloring.
Yeah. I answered it. You didn't say it.
That's it for today, guys. It's been a fun day full of random adventures. If you get the chance, I'd recommend you get a carload of mates and get out there yourself. Catch you in the next one.